today from Special Hobby, 1/48 scale. Do apologise if I screw this up. I believe the aircraft is Siebel or Siebel, Si-204D. It's a German transporter aircraft. It's super early, 1930s design area, so early war or pre-war. Special Hobby kits, brand new kit for this year, so it's a brand new Special Hobby kit. Serial number SH48170. One thing I do find with Special Hobby is they do only a certain amount of kit, so if you're interested in buying it, you want to buy them quickly, because they can tend to sell out very fast, or can sometimes be quite tricky to get hold of. So if you are interested, get it as soon as you see one and you are interested, buy it. Don't hang about. You can do this in German markings or Swedish. I'm gonna do both because I've bought the kit twice. This is one of them. I'm waiting for the second one to turn up because I want to do the Swedish one as well. So you get a nice box art. I was surprised how big this plane was. I thought it was quite tiny, but it's actually a bigger plane than I thought. This side of the box, nothing really on there. Same side. This side's nothing really on there. Same as this side. Let's take a look what we get inside. The top opening box. This is commercial sample. This is basically what you would buy. It'd be exactly the same. You get your decal sheet, all about the aircraft. Instructions, sorry. One bag with your decals in it. Second bag with fuselage and wings. And your glasses in another bag, but inside. This is all about the Siebel. I believe that's how you pronounce it. The English one is up the top, so if you wish to read it, pause the video. You get first 2 pages, all your sprues, and then you start with your typical World War II fighter, as always, starting with your cockpit. So the side of the instrument panels, floor, a little bit of bulkhead, gun sights, possibly what that may be. I'm not quite sure what that is. That's the pedals. This is the yoke of the steering. Seats going together. More. It's just all to the cockpit. So once you've finished, it should look like this. And then you've got the back part where it looks like oxygen bowls. More seats at the back. Radio equipment as well. Bulkhead. This is the radio equipment. I'm not sure what those are, but more seats going in. Once it's all put together, it should look like this. Making sure everything is square, not misplaced. Looks like another radio going in down there. We've got 2 more seats going in. Another instrument panel. The pedals. Drilling out some holes. Some more a radio piece going in by the looks of things again. Some supports inside fuselage. The windows going in as well down the bottom. Snapping the 2 fuselages together, sandwiching it all together. And the front piece of glass going in. So it's 2 pieces of glass. You've got the front dome and then the upper piece. Got this piece going in as well. Not quite sure if that's fabric or something. Sandwiching the wings together. Working on the engine cowlings. Sadly, there's no engine for this, but you do get your exhaust. It's a 2-engine propeller plane. Putting the cowlings on. Starting with your back of your wings. There's 2 upper parts on like a Lancaster. It's like the two upper tails, undercarriage going together. More undercarriage. It's a tail dragger as well. Wheels going on, propeller, nose cone spinner. Doing your lights down the bottom there. Having the door open or closed with a mounting boarding ladder is optional, so if you're having it on the ground. Doing your wiring, which is just a V shape, simple. Some easy line would be easy for that. This is one of your schemes, Germany one. Where's the location? This is France, summer 1943. Option B is Germany again, it's Luftwaffe. Doesn't actually say its location, but it's 1945 on 7th of May 1945. It went into Switzerland or Sweden. That's where it went into, so it might be based there. And this is the Swedish one as well. So like I said, I've got 2 of these kits coming. I've got one here now. Second one is on its way, so I'm going to do this one as well. The colours are down the bottom, which is the German dark green grey, this colour, which is RML 70. German blue, which is RML 65 bottom. Swedish red, which would be H red, or just normal red. These are Mr. Hobby colours, by the way, if you're not sure. Aluminum colour, or aluminium, and a steel. The German colours are the same. Dark green, RML 70. Another dark green is RML 71. German blue, RML 65. The yellow stripe is RML 4, and white is, where have they put the white? Oh, sorry, yeah. Around the front part of the canopy down the bottom here is white. The other German one is exactly the same. The 2 grey colours, 71, 70, 65, and the stripes are RML 4. You can paint them on, or you can use decals. I think there's decals that got the stripes on. Oh, sorry, my bad. These stripes are not on the decals. You're going to have to paint those stripes on. So you get your decals printed by Cartograph. So they're going to be the best in the world. No issues with them whatsoever. This is your first bag of sprues. You've got a little piece come off. Always check your bags. This is that little piece that goes around inside the cockpit, which I thought was fabric, so it kind of looks like fabric. A little bit of photo etch. Looks like a aerials kind of thing. I'm not quite sure what that piece is. Something to do probably the speed indicator. First sprue, exhaust pieces on it, some seats. Nope, sorry, what are they? I don't know what they are actually. There's one of your doors, but again it's got all latches on it, so that's a nice detail. That's a seat for sure. There's your exhaust. There's another kind of door but got nothing on it, I'm not quite sure. This sprue here. Move these out of the way. This sprue here has some more doors, some more seats. This is the back part of your seat. There's your oxygen bottles. Looks like support piece. 2 of your instrument panels for your cockpit. So there's that sprue, nice parts on there. There's some aerials. This one again. Bulkhead. It's cockpit floor, fine detail parts, landing gear, possibly some of those. There's your main bottom of the floor of the back of the aircraft. We have got some fine detail parts, diamond pattern flooring, probably a step, another bulkhead with some radio equipment on it. Not really nothing on this side. There's another door with hatches on it. A oval aerial. So this is nice detail on this sprue. Nice parts. You got your wings, engine cowlings, some more exhausts. You do have locating pins, but they're very fine. So if they are problematic, just sand them off, but should be okay. It's a nice piece. Another sprue, wheels, landing gear, some propellers which are separated. You're going to have to put your propellers together. Boarding ladder. These parts are inside. Do the wings. Another piece of flooring. The nose cones or spinners. So they're a nice piece. Unfortunately, it's 2-piece wheels, so you're going to have a bit of a seam line. You're going to have to sand and take care of. Not a fan of that. Yeah. Unfortunately, that's what you get given. So, second bag. You get your glass. Stay there. Let's take a look at this glass quickly. A little piece of glass has come off. Be careful with that. Looks like a light piece. So you've got your windows. There's your main front canopy part. A little bit of rub there. I'm going to buff that out a little bit. There's your top part of your canopy. So yeah, nice. It's quite clear. I'm going to put this there and this one there. Put this in the bag so that it's getting scratched up already, and any more than it already is. Right, we've got your main fuselage halves now. So it's quite a big plane, bigger than I thought it was. Panel lines are nice, but there's no rivets on the aircraft. Shame, unfortunately. Focus. Some more bulkhead. And there's the other side. If you want to have these doors open, you have to cut them out. Your lower wings and upper wing. So this is probably would be left. Sorry. Yeah, this would be your left wing. Yep, there's a few panel rivets on this, but not many. But the panel lines are nice and vibrant. Maybe a little bit out of scale, possibly, but a little bit of a scuff there to take care of. That's all right. Second sprue is exactly the same, but it's the other side. So this would be the right side wing. The wings are really long. Longer than like I said before. I thought the plane was quite small, but it's actually bigger than I thought. A little bit of detail inside where the wheel arch will be still. Yeah, the kit should go together quite nicely. as I mentioned before, special hobby. If you are looking to get them, buy them quickly because you can sell out quite fast. So there you go, guys. This special hobby 148 Siebel, if that's how you pronounce it. I do apologise because I think I screw it up completely. I don't speak German. Easiest way I've called it the 204D. Just call it 240D. Easiest way. Laters, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.